What the
20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is in Q.
Thank you very much, guys, for joining us. Greatly appreciated. It's one of our live shows that we do. We try to do every week, but it never happens. Okay, guys, I'm a bit scared.
So this is the CGC books.
This is the CGC books now.
Okay,
I haven't got a clue. Right, I don't know what's in there, and I don't know what the grade is. First of all,
Amanda, how many books are in there?
All right, let me count.
How many books?
All right. 1, 2,
Oh my God, I'm scared.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And there are some of the ones that you wanted.
Right, 15. Right, 15 are in there, guys.
Guys, we're going to be here till midnight
I did say
for you guys.
Okay, listen, we will do this, guys. We'll get through this, all right?
We got it.
Can you pass it to me and I do the reveal?
No, you close your eyes, then you open them. So
No.
Everyone gets to see first. Stop it.
Okay, yeah.
Go.
Go.
Oh, I was right with 9.0.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, there we are. White pages.
That's still good.
Oh, that's all right.
White
I'll take
pages.
that. There we are. Thank you, CGC.
Wait,
See,
what's
now
the page quality?
White.
White.
Wait, oh, good, nice.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Don't open them yet.
Ooh.
It's right about the page quality. Just let you know.
Oh, that's lower than I expected.
It
That's
says
a lot
off-
lower than I expected.
Yeah, off white to white pages.
Off white to white. Yeah, why is that so low then?
It doesn't look.
Yeah. Okay, it is what it is. 9.2.
Bit harsh.
Near mint minus, bit harsh maybe, but I'm going to take it. You know, it's not a massive shock. You know,
I thought
So,
the lowest would have been a 9.4 at least.
Yeah.
I'm closing my eyes.
Eye close.
Oh, what? What?
9.2.
Wow.
White pages.
Wow.
Harder, yeah.
Okay.
Really hard book.
You know, I am a little disappointed. I'm not going to cry about it. I mean, it is what it is. Still a nice.
I'll cry for you, man.
Yeah, I know.
It's all about the
better.
content.
It looked better. There may be something going on the inside. Man, I don't want to close my eyes, right? Because it's the reactions of the guys, right? It's like, ooh. I know it's going to be bad.
Close your eyes.
All right.
Wow.
Holy
Hey! Wow.
Yeah, you did
Well
good,
done.
Jace.
9.0.
Do you know what? I'm pleased with that.
That's good.
Off white, yeah, off white
Off
pages.
white to
But
white pages.
6. I'm really pleased with the 6. Thank you,
Venus.
CGC. Let's
Yeah,
move on. Right, I'm closing my eyes.
Have they changed how the purple looks?
Damn.
Oh, I tell you what, right?
So no, yeah. White
They
pages.
are grading harshly. I have to
They are
say.
grading pretty harsh. I think that book should have been higher than that.
Mm,
Oh,
my
God. That's terrible.
What the?
stop swearing.
I can't help it. That's really low. I don't guess what's wrong with this book. Look at the edges, mate.
Didn't look that bad.
No spine ticks.
That is
by the
very
way.
harsh.
Look, it's got a couple of Newton rings on it as well. I thought they went. See that?
Oh, yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
Ready.
Oh.
See?
days.
See,
Bigger
it's
than that of
working
the
already.
Spider-Man. There you go.
That's
working
the
already.
result. That is, bud.
I win. Where?
And that's the Pence copy. I thought then I panicked. I thought you brought out the Cent copy, which is much better condition. Right.
Wow.
I'll go along with this.
No.
No.
How?
That is impossible.
Come on then, man.
You doing your eyes closed or not, Bob?
No.
All right. 7.
Oh!
White pages.
White
It
pages.
is white. It is white pages. Oh.
He's having a. You're not doing very well tonight, are you?
Oh.
No.
Nick Fury makes an appearance.
Get
as well.
this man a glass of milk.
Where's the...
Oh my god.
Meow.
Ooh.
Oh.
Sorry, Jace.
Sorry. I know this book's hard.
Well, they all seem hard, to be fair.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh.
Yeah!
Finally got one right.
You got it right.
Well done.
Why'd you hold it like that?
Why not?
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Yay! That's great.
Said it's about time.
Well done.
Happy with that. Happy with that. 9.6 newsstand.
Yeah!
In there.
At last!
I'm
Good
so
lad.
happy.
Woo! I find out you saved it for last, didn't you?
Oh,
Yes! Yes!
You're on a high. Very nice.
Oh my god, that is amazing. Here we are.
Yeah. Well done, James. In the,
Page quality.
off-white to white.
Off white, not cream. Oh, sorry, Snail.
That's all right. Then.
But yeah, off white to white. It looks like cream pages. I've got to be honest with you. It's so yellow. It's ridiculous.
Nice.
Yes.
I'm surprised
my
it wasn't a
goodness.
6.5.
Nice.
Yeah, just chuck 6.5 in
See,
again.
it just makes everything else seem all right now, doesn't it?
Well, yeah. Okay.
It makes
Yeah.
up for everything.
Thank you very much.
20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is in turn.